And is WordPress still relevant in today's digital world? Absolutely. WordPress powers more than 30% of all websites, a testament to its popularity. It's a versatile platform that caters to everyone from novices dipping their toes into the web development pool to seasoned professionals seeking robust, customizable solutions. Plus, WordPress is always evolving with continuous updates and improvements to stay in step with the rapidly changing digital landscape. So if you're wondering if WordPress is still a viable option, the answer is a resounding yes. Now let's delve into why WordPress stands out. One of the key features of WordPress is its ease of use. Even if you're not a tech wizard, you can still create a visually stunning website with a few clicks. Its customization options are virtually limitless, allowing you to tailor your site exactly to your needs. But that's not all. WordPress is also known for being SEO friendly, giving your site a better chance to rank higher on search engine results. And let's not forget its vast library of plugins and themes that can enhance your site's functionality and appearance. Plus, it's open source and free to use. With such a comprehensive list of features, WordPress proves itself as an exceptional tool for building websites. But what are the tangible benefits of using WordPress, you ask? Well, for starters, it's cost-effective. You can start small and scale up as needed. Also, its user-friendly interface makes it a breeze to create and manage your website. And let's not forget the vast supportive community ready to lend a helping hand. These perks aren't just nice to have, they can significantly enhance your website building experience. These benefits make WordPress an excellent choice for anyone looking to create a successful online presence. To recap, WordPress remains a leading choice in today's digital world. Its relevance is unmatched thanks to its versatile features and unparalleled benefits. So whether you're a novice or a seasoned web developer, WordPress offers an effective, user-friendly solution for creating and managing your website.